Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see lesson 14, simple past and past continuous tenses. Let's get started. Answer the following questions and share your answer with a friend. What were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m.? I was playing. I was playing. What were you doing yesterday at 6 p.m.? I was reading. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? I was having my dinner. What were you doing yesterday at 10 p.m.? I was sleeping. So past tense means it describes an action that has been completed in the past. Okay? That is past tense. I sang a song. She sang a song. They sang a song. Okay? Continuous means it tells about an action that continued in the past for some time. So we use the simple past tense of be plus ing form. Okay, be form means was, were, plus ing. Okay, fill in the blanks with some simple past tense of the given verbs. We have to write a simple past tense. Rinky dashed down and started crying. Rinky fell. Fall, fell. The gardener dashed care of the plants. Took. I dash a book and lost it. I borrowed. We dash after a long time. We met. The thief and dash into the house at night. The thief broke. Maya dash a new dress for the party. Maya wanted. Shobha dash first in her class. Shobha came. The traveler dash under the tree to rest. The traveler sat. Understood? Next, write the questions to which these sentences may be the answers. Use the question words given in the brackets. These are we have to use. They went to the zoo yesterday. When did they go to the zoo? Go to the. If you are using here did, so we have to write it in a present tense, not past. Don't write they went to the zoo. Okay? They go to the, it convert to the present. She ate biryani for lunch. What did she eat for lunch? What did she eat for lunch? Next, Sunil went to Delhi by train. How did Sunil go to Delhi? The principal made an announcement. Who made an announcement? Okay. Who made an announcement? Next. Anusha did not go for the film because she was sick. Why didn't Anusha why didn't Anush sorry Anusha ANUSHA why didn't Anusha go for the film? Why didn't Anusha go for the film? Next, 3 students did not come for the tour. How many students did not come for the tour? Come for the tour. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense for the given verbs. He dashed the heavy load when an idea struck him. He was carrying RRYING. He was carrying the heavy load. But he dashed computer games 2 minutes ago, mother. He was playing. Joe dashed towards me to give me a piece of news. Joe was running. Ram dashed the tree when he fell down. Ram was climbing. These children dash trouble here, said the policeman. Children were causing trouble. Why dash you dash so sad yesterday? Why were you looking? Why were you looking I just dash on the phone, said Meera. I was just talking. I was just talking on the phone. The Tailor dashed my dress when I entered his shop. Tailor was still stitching. Understood? Next, underline the verbs and write yes if it is in the simple past tense and PC if it is in the past continuous tense. The boys ran to greet their grandmother. Ran. Simple past tense. Next, the girls made garlands for the deity. Made. Simple past tense. Mother was reading the newspaper when the phone rang. Mother was reading is past continuous. Rang is simple past. The students were whispering to each other during lunch break. Students were whispering, past continuous. Next, I was carrying the plates to the table when they slipped from my hand. I was carrying, past continuous. Slipped, simple past. The mat was lying on the floor. Was lying, past continuous. My friends came to my house to play. Came, simple past. The hare ran fast, but he lost the race. Ran, simple past tense. Lost, simple past tense. Understood? Next, let us write. Complete the story using the past continuous tense of the given verbs. I dash TV when the doorbell rang. I was watching. I was watching the TV when the doorbell rang. I got up and was walking to the door, but the person kept ringing the bell. The sound of the bell was so loud. As I was opening the door, I saw that a boy was running away. I closed the door and looked out of the window. I saw that the boy was hiding in the bushes. I went out and spoke to him. He shyly told me that he thought it was his friend's house. He said that he was sorry and went away. Understood? This is about the simple past and past continuous tense. Tomorrow we will see simple future tense. Okay? Thank you.